what I can do is talk about the specific ethical rules that relate to us as CPAs. And that's what our course is about today, the CPA Code of Professional Conduct. And as I'll be talking about later on, I've got a little bit of experience here because a number of years ago, I was on the Institute's discipline committee, where it's decided whether people have broken the rules and what penalties they're to suffer. And I was also on the appeal committee, where if people don't like the way the discipline committee ruled, well, they go to the appeal committee and see if they can get it overturned. And some of those things were very obvious. Somebody clearly intentionally broke the rules. But enough times you'd have people who would be there and they'd broken the rules unwittingly. They just didn't know what the rules were. So that what I want to do today is go over the most common topics in this big set of rules. And we also want to have some examples to get you to think about more practical situations. Here are the basic topics, the layout that we'll have in the course today. That we've got a little introduction to give you an idea of the importance of this and where it all comes from. Then we'll break it down between the limited types of interactions you might have with CPA Ontario. And by the way, if you're watching from outside Ontario, don't worry, the rules are very similar across the country. We'll be talking about general ethical requirements when you're dealing with clients. We'll be talking about a big specific ethical requirement with clients, and that's independence in engagements. We'll be talking toward the end about how we interact with each other. And we'll have a conclusion to talk about, just generally speaking, problems that people have had with practice inspectors or other disciplinary situations.